Alright, so you remember this house? Some months back, we fixed the gates and then we did the fence wall design. The client was very excited, so he invited us to do electric fencing and CCTV cameras. Now we're going to show you how the fence looks like. Very neat, very clean. As usual, we deliver security with beauty. So if you own the best electric fence company in Ghana, you know the company to call, right? And now we are everywhere in Ghana. So let's go, let me show you the very final way how everything looks like, okay?